So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manually install correct Wi-Fi drivers on your system. Now, first of all, open the settings to get the name of the Wi-Fi that you have. Simply search for Wi-Fi right there in the search bar and go to Wi-Fi settings. And here you'll see this option of hardware properties. Go over there, and here in this option, in the description section, you'll find the name of the Wi-Fi that you have. Just simply copy it. Now you'll get the description of what Wi-Fi exactly that your system have. Now just simply open any of the browser you have, paste that particular name, hit driver for whatever windows that you have, and hit download. Now open the first website or second, whatever suits you, whatever of your laptop, for example Asus in my case. Open it and download the driver for that particular uh, uh, file. Now here you can see I can easily download this version of driver from here, and once the driver is installed in my system, I can just simply uh, click on this option of link, and you can see I can easily download the driver that is of 21 megabytes of size, and just simply install that particular drivers manually. Once you download it from here, you can see the zip file of the driver. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.